Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the case study on the topic Zener Diode. So before entering into the topic, let us see what do you mean by Zener Diode. So the Zener Diode, it is not a normal diode, okay? Because in normal diode, it allows the current only in one direction. In case of the Zener Diode, it allows the current in both the directions, and it is used as a regulator. For example, if we see the Zener Diode that has been used in the applications. So suppose if you are taking an application of mobile phone, it acts as a regulator. Let us now discuss about what are all the applications that has been implemented in the Zener Diode.
Myself Sugita from SNS College of Technology and Autonomous College, and we are from ECE department. So today we are going to present the case study about the real life applications of Zener Diode. So Zener Diode is a special electronic component. Unlike other diodes, it allows the current to flow in both the directions. Its main function is to maintain a constant voltage. So in real life, we use many electronic devices that works properly when the voltage is maintained constant. So one common example is a mobile charger. If the voltage is too high or too low, it may damage the phone or the battery life. So the Zener Diode is widely used as it's low cost and it's fast in response. Further, my friend will continue.
Hello everyone, I am Yashika from ECE department. In our day-to-day life, we use many electronic devices like smartphone, chargers and other electrical equipments. All these electrical devices requires a constant power supply and voltage to function properly. In our day-to-day life and in real-life conditions, proper power supply and continuous voltage is not stable always. Sometimes it can increases the voltage. If the voltage is provided to a sensitive devices, it can causes overheating of the electrical equipment and causes damage in the electrical internal resistance and many things. However, if the voltage is increased into a sensitive devices, it can lead to damages in electrical equipments.
So myself Shrutika Shri from ECE department. I am going to explain about the working principle of this. The working principle can be understood by if the output voltage increases beyond the Zener diode, the Zener diode conducts in the reverse bias direction. So even the output remains constant diode voltage. For example, if we give output as the 5 volt voltage, the Zener voltage remains same even if the input voltage varies, so that the voltage is considered as the regulating voltage.
Myself Shubhika, I am going to tell about how it is working. Our model includes a power supply such as battery or adapter or a resistor and 5 volt Zener diode and a load like an LED or mobile charging module. In this setup, the Zener diode is connected to reverse bias and the resistor limits the current and it also protects the component. If the voltage is in the normal level, the circuit operates smoothly and it receives the required voltage. If the input voltage increases the Zener voltage, the Zener diode regulates it, keeping the output voltage constant and safe. This way, the circuit is protected from the damage.
Let me talk about advantages and applications of Zener Diode. Zener diodes are widely used in mobile chargers, voltage regulators, power supplies, and over-voltage protection systems. Its main function is to provide a stable voltage and protect electronic devices. They are simple, low cost, and ensure consistent performance. They also ensure that voltage are stable and protect the electronic devices. To conclude, Zener diodes are small but very important role, plays very important role in our electronic devices.
Okay, thank you.